ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು, ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ನಾಡಿಮಿಡಿತ.
Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain ji.
Thank you, sir. Honorable Chairman, I wish to draw the attention of this House to the financial crisis faced by the Gram Panchayats in Karnataka due to the non-release of central funds under the 15th Finance Commission. The grants made by the Finance Commission are not discretionary, sir. These are constitutionally mandated devolutions meant to strengthen local self-government and ensure predictable and transparent financial support to Panchayat Raj institutions. 2,133 crores meant for nearly 6,000 Gram Panchayats in Karnataka is still pending, sir. Even the first installment of rupees 1,092 crores has not been released, though the state has fulfilled all the procedural requirements. The continued withholding of the funds is both unjustified and detrimental to rural governance, sir. Because of the non-release of funds, panchayats are unable to pay salaries of essential staff, including sanitation workers and local administrative personnel. Routine maintenance of drinking water systems, drainage, sanitation, and street lighting has been disrupted. Several panchayats have no operational funds left in their accounts to meet even basic expenses. Panchayats are constitutional institutions under Part 9 of the Constitution of India. Financial devolution to them is an obligation rooted in the principles of decentralization and cooperative federalism. When funds meant for panchayats are delayed, it is the farmer waiting for irrigation repairs who suffers. It is the rural household dependent on the drinking water supply that suffers. It is the poor, women, elderly and marginalized communities who bear the brunt of such administrative paralysis. The 15th Finance Commission was specifically tasked with strengthening local bodies and ensuring that Gram Panchayats have resources to deliver essential services. Also for Karnataka, 1,066 crores are due to Karnataka under Manrega scheme and 6,976 crores under Jal Jeevan Mission scheme. Therefore, sir, I urge the government to immediately release the pending 10,175 crores due to Karnataka's Gram Panchayats under the 15th Finance Commission and other schemes, so that the Gram Panchayats can resume the basic constitutional functions without further disruption. The people of Karnataka should not be made to bear the cost of administrative delay, and the centre must act without any further hesitation. I once again request the government to look into the matter and do the needful at the earliest. Thank you, sir.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ.